What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're working on the Q5. We're just doing a quick oil change and I am going to add this oil flush. So a quick video, how to do the oil flush, throwing some good Castrol edge in there, man filter. They got links in the description for both of these and for the flush. I just do this every other oil change. This one's about 1,000 miles over, so it's definitely needed. So enough of that, let's go ahead and jump into it. So on the instructions, you're just going to add product to the engine oil, idle for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the degree of contamination. Then you're going to change the oil in the filter. So let's put this in. So we're just gonna let this idle for 10 to 15 minutes. And while you guys are waiting for your car to idle, you guys can try Orgain Nutritional Shake. These are delicious and nutritious. I've been drinking these for like 3 or 4 years. This is more of like me recommending this over this being an ad. I don't like eating breakfast, but I do like drinking these, and it pretty much covers everything I need. So if you guys use this code right here, Mechanical30, you guys get 30% off your orders from Orgain, so check it out. Also, what else I like to do while it's idling, as you guys know, if you have the Q5, the underpins are a pain to get off and it's hard to jack up. So I drive it up on these Rhino Ramps right here, link in the description for these as well. I drive it up on here and then I take the cover off, and then if we need to go up higher, I'll jack it up from there. For oil changes, this works just fine. We're gonna use a clean pan so you can also inspect your oil afterwards. And let's get it. Oh, and of course I spray all over the ground, but oh well. Let the oil drain out of the filter just for a second. Alright, now you got the old filter out. Make sure you put oil around the O-ring before you put this on. And make sure you clean the surface, obviously, of that. And this just spins right on. The little resistance you'll feel is that spring in there. As long as it's spinning freely, it's good. And guys, don't go no tighter than hand tight. Like just like that, is as tight as you need. You don't need it anymore. All right, so the oil's drained out. We let it drip for a while. One other tip I do, guys, in case you ever forget, write your mileage that you changed it at on your oil change. This was changed at 106. I know I need to change it at like 110, 111, something like that. So write the previous mileage here. It helps. Now it's time to fill the oil up, obviously. Grab yourself a little funnel like this if you want. You don't need this, but it's quite convenient to just be able to screw that in like so, and then fill it up. We're using the Castrol Edge full synthetic Euro car. Again, this is linked in the description with everything else. I just pour the whole jug in. These cars all consume oil, so give a little extra. Don't go overboard where you're gonna blow a seal, but it takes 4.8 quarts if I remember correctly, and this is 5, so. Sometimes I'll leave a little splash in the bottom of the jug just to make sure I don't overfill it, but not today. You guys, I think all of this, even with the flush, is under 50 or 60 bucks, even with full synthetics. So do it yourself. You get a higher quality filter, all that stuff, and you get to know your car a little better. You get to find leaks. You get to irritate your wife when you find stuff wrong with her car. See that? No mess funnel. I don't want it backwards. I want it forwards. All right, so that wraps up today's video on an engine flush and oil change on the Audi Q5. This is the same for pretty much any car. This is the Audi 2.0 engine, obviously. This just helps keep sediment and sludge out of your engine. These little camshaft position magnets in the front don't like any kind of sludge, and that will cause your car to run rough. So I recommend doing this every 15,000 miles or so, or however often you want. It won't really hurt. There's some other good products to put into, like Engine Restore, that I do use every other oil change. And different things like that to keep it running good. I went through about 1 quart of oil in a 6,000 mile oil change, so I will say the products are working because I'm at 106,000 miles and this car still runs phenomenally. So again, check out the description if you guys want to check out any of this stuff for yourself. It works great. Check out the other videos on my Subaru and other vehicles that I'm working on. Like and subscribe to the channel if this video helped you. Until next time, thank you.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.